Hello coding aliens, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with a K. How are you doing guys? Today I am very excited to announce that we are going to launch the whole MERN blog tutorial. And because I am so excited, I am not going to waste any second of mine. So let's see the demo of the build first of all. So here you can see this is the blog admin section. Here we have a different blogs added here. The 3 blogs that I have already added here. We will also learn how to build this whole application in MERN stack. We are using MongoDB, React, Node, and the Express.js. We have all CRUD operations that we are guys going to implement it here. We have a 3 sections, basically 3 sections here. We have a blog, we have the author, and we have the category section. Now you can see this whole application is fully responsive in almost every size, almost every skin sizes in this world. So this is responsive. Now you can see here the responsiveness here. So this is responsive, and we have built it in the front end. We have built it in the React. So now you can see the responsiveness, right? Let's go and see here the blog section here. So first we will explore the blog section, then we go to the author and the category. So let's see, we have a blogs here, and we have a add new blog content here. So from here we can add a new blog here. Next we have an edit option also here, so we can simply edit the blogs that we have already written here. So we can edit the blog. We have a bunch of categories here, so we can add the categories. We can add the authors directly coming from the MongoDB database here, and we can delete this also. But I have put the secret key right now because I have not done any authentications for this whole application, so that's why I have added a prompt here for the secret key, so otherwise guys will not going to delete that blog. Okay, so we have this section here. Next we have an author section. So basically the same thing is applicable for the author also. We have the author name, we have the author bio, the description, the author image. Similarly we can add the author here, and we can simply edit the author also from here. I'm just giving you the look and feel first of all, then we will explore the whole system here, and then we are going to build this whole application in this tutorial also. Next we have a category section also. So here we have the category, same look and feel for this category. We can add the category here, and we can edit and delete the category in the same manner as we have done there. So this is the blog admin section. Let's see the home section. So this is the home section here. Now you can see the UI of the home section of the blog. So basically this will be on a client side, and this will be on a admin side. So basically the user, the client, will going to see this section only after the authentication if we apply here. So this section is also responsive here. So the blogs, we have all the categories that we are going to add will going to show here at the top section here. So we can switch between the different categories here. We have a technologies also. So whatever the categories you are going to add, it's just going to appear on the very top of the screen here. Now you can see here, we will also click to read more, but explore the responsiveness of this build first of all. Now I'm just going to show you the responsiveness. So just you can see it is responsive for every screen sizes here. Now you can see, we can simply see the responsiveness of this card, and this is whole application is built in React, and I'm not going to use any library. It is whole purely core CSS build here. I'm not going to use any library for all that thing. So that is also a bonus for those who find CSS difficult to learn. So this tutorial will be a concept builder for all of those. Now here I'm just going to click on this to show you how the actual blog will look alike here. So just give it some time, it will render from our MongoDB database. And now you can see here we have a blog here. So this is on the desktop view, and now you can see, you can read everything here. Now this is our blog, that is we have opening here, and now you can see in the search bar also we have made it a SEO friendly. So it is SEO friendly. You guys not going to bother a lot about how it is going to rank or not. So it is whole SEO friendly. If simple digital marketing concepts, if you apply on this for the SEO marketing, you can simply rank this application on Google also. Now you can see here we have a bunch of option at the bottom of here. So now you can see we have we can simply share this blog directly from our application to Facebook, Twitter. We can simply share it to Reddit, and we can simply just copy the link also here. And if you have a lot of blogs or in this category, then this will be going to appear here in the recommended for you section. And then the last we have a blog admin also here, so who has written blog writer also, so who has written this blog here. So let's go and add a simple blog. The build first of all. So here in the blog admin section we have author. So first of all, when we write the blog, we need to add the category also. So if it is in the already added category, you have to add a new category. I'm just going to add a new category and just give it the name, and added the name date also here. So let's add the category here. Like we just add the category here, the robotics, and here we just click on this add, and now you can see the category is added, and now it is showing instantly on our dashboard also. Okay, then we can add the author here also. So let's add the author here. Just give it the test. I just give the name here, test author, and here we can add the short bio. So let's put in the test bio, and here we can add the profile image, and the image will just go and upload on the Cloudinary cloud database there. So we will also learn these things also. Now you can see here all the UI and the look and feel of this whole admin dashboard tutorial, dashboard of this blog here. Now you can see it is added here, and now you will see this thing also here, and now you can see the image is also rendering here. So the image is uploaded on the cloud. That is we are using the Cloudinary software for that. And now the last thing here, we have the blog here. So we can add a blog also here. So just give the blog title. So we have the blog title here. Let's put that. Okay, let's select the category here. The category is directly coming from the database here that we have already added. And if you want to add a bunch of category, you can add the different categories also here. So here we have added all that category, and now you can also remove all this category also. Okay, then we have to select the author also. So let's put the test author here, and here we have the blog date. So it is today. And here we have a blog banner and the blog card banner. So you have to add the blog banner and blog card banner also. And all these blogs images is uploaded on the Cloudinary database there. And this is the short description. So I'll just put the short description here just give me a minute. We have added the short description and the meta description also for ranking. And then we have a blog banner and the blog card banner. I'm going to add any images related to this. So let's add any image. Okay, just let me find out image here. Let's add the piano image. Obviously it is not going to yeah, and this is the Flipkart image, right? Now let's add this. Now it will add and upload. First it will upload all the images on the server, then it create a URL for that, and then it is stored in the MongoDB. So this is the whole system flow here. So here you can see the blog added successfully here, and you will see the blog, but you are not seeing. Let's refresh this. Let's refresh this. We will have a updated dashboard here. Now you can see here we have 4 blogs here. Now let's test the blog here. You can see here the robotics section is also coming here because we have added the category for the robotics, and it is coming also here. And here you can see we have the robotics here. the image, I think it is now updated here. The image is updated here, and now you can see and read the blog also here. So this is the whole system flow and the design that we have created. And if you have any suggestion regarding the UI or any suggestions regarding in the admin dashboard section, feel free to give your advice in the comment section, and don't forget to tell us how you like this video tutorial or not. Let's edit some portion of that. So we have added a digital marketing